I have some milled einkorn flour here. It's a couple days old, so it's not gonna be as nutrient dense, but it will still work, still be healthier than regular. I'm gonna measure 4 cups in here. And just so you guys know, I don't know if you see this note, I had 4 cups of einkorn berries. I milled them and it made 8 cups. So it basically doubled itself. So half of this bag is gonna go in here. Okay, so I have my 4 cups in there, and what I'm gonna do, I just read to do this, so we'll see if it's correct. What I'm gonna do is, I have to just put 4 eggs in now. So I'm going to kind of make a hole here where my eggs are gonna go. You guys can see that? Okay, so we have the eggs in there. I did not stir them up at all. I just put my bread hook in, so we'll see if that works. And then we have the flour in there. Did 4 cups of einkorn flour. I hope I'm saying that right. 4 cups, or 4 eggs. I've made bread with this flour before, with these berries, and it tends to be really sticky. So we'll just keep an eye on that and add some more flour if needed. 2 of our first long noodles, and they're not cut yet, but they're smushed down with the noodle maker here. And this is our first one. This is really good. It just needs to be a little bit more smooth, but we're gonna start doing the next. Okay, you see my mess. Here it is coming. This is like my last part of the batch. It's actually looking really consistent and really good. It's hard because my leverage here isn't working great, but these don't look bad. They're not like the best, but I'll run these through this smaller cutter next, and then we'll be done. Okay, so I'll show you guys, these are some of the first noodles. They're definitely rough, but they look good. I still have a lot to do. All right, here it is. So these are like the pieces I started out with. They would kind of break off. But then once I got a little bit more comfortable, I was starting to do longer pieces and they started working a little better. So I'm just gonna honestly, I've read a few ways to let them dry. I have some here drying, but I'm gonna get you. Whoa. Also, I'm just gonna let these lay here because we're gonna have these tonight for supper. So got quite a few. They are starting to dry. And we'll just boil them for a few minutes later and then have them for supper. All right, guys, so these are my einkorn noodles finished. And actually, I thought maybe the batch I did would only make like 1 supper's worth, but it made 2. So I made 2 bags of 10 ounces. I put the other 10 ounces in the freezer. I'm gonna use that some other time. And then this is our own beef raised, so 1 of our steers, and then the spaghetti sauce is from our garden, tomatoes, and just some seasonings. So basically all homegrown. Praise God.